Where am I? Conflicted loyalties. Is that only admission open? Okay. Makes it easy. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch that rock. I think about it every night and day. Well, I touch it, I don't have a way. Damn, I need a car. Shonen. Okay. I really do need a car though. That's the thing. Ooh, I should have got that one. I could call my valet, but he takes forever. Like, seriously, forever. Okay, I guess I have to call him.
Hey, this way. I need a car.
A car? Takla! I'll be there right
I
away.
bet you $1 million he's gonna give me a freaking motorcycle. I tell him all the freaking time to give me a car, but nope, a motorcycle. What the hell, brah? See, what did I? What the hell happened? What the hell happened? I was seriously in the middle of the island, minding my own business. Man. What the hell, man? This game just wants me to die.